Hey everyone, it's ClickHow. Today I'm going to show you how to stop Google Gemini from using your personal conversations to train its AI models. First, open gemini.google.com on your PC browser. Look at the bottom left corner. Click on Settings and Help, then click Activity from the menu. A new tab will open with your Gemini Apps Activity page. At the top, click the Turn Off button. A pop-up will appear. Select Turn Off and Delete Activity. Then confirm. That's it. Your future Gemini conversations will no longer be used for training. One important thing to know, even with this setting off, Google keeps your conversations for up to 72 hours to provide the service and maintain safety. But that data will not be used for model training. A quick tip, if you want to automatically delete old conversations, click Auto Delete on the same activity page and choose 3, 18, or 36 months. If you found this helpful, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe, and ring that notification bell. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.